Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Bluetooth device to your Poco phone. To do it, go to the settings, then go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is on. Then take your device and make sure it has been put in the pairing mode. So here I have AirPods. I'm gonna just open the top, then I'm gonna press and hold on the pairing button at the back. It has made a sound, so it's in pairing mode now. I'm gonna click on refresh here to check for available devices again, and you can see here are my AirPods Pro. I can click on them, then click on pair, and now they are connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.